Hello YouTube! Today I'm going to talk about Japanese culture, Gokon, and why we have a Gokon. Maybe Gokon is a unique Japanese culture. They are not this kind of culture in the United States or United Kingdom. In short, Gokon is a group dinner to make new friends. It's a very common way to get new friends that they can be boyfriend or a girlfriend in the future. When we have a Gokon, we set up the same number of boys and girls. This is an important thing. So sometimes we have 3-on-3 Gokon, or a 4-on-4 Gokon, or a 5-on-5 Gokon, and each group has host. Boys have host and girls have a host. Only hosts are friends already each other, so both hosts are introducing their friends each other, and after that party the whole group can become new friends each other. We must book the schedule of the members of Gokon. I think boys can easily invite friends to the Gokon, but the girl host often has some trouble to get the members of Gokon. They need time to think and prepare for the Gokon. It's a quite common way to get new friends who can be boyfriends or girlfriends or even husband or wife in the future. And setting up a Gokon is sometimes a tough job for hosts. The host must invite friends, and they secure their schedules, and they must set up a table in a dinner restaurant. Usually we have a Gokon in izakaya. Izakaya is a Japanese-styled restaurant where we can drink alcohol. And sometimes the members of the Gokon are complaining the people who joined the Gokon. For example, sometimes girls don't like the boys who are coming to the Gokon, and those girls sometimes complained to the host. Why did you invite me to this Gokon? It's a troublesome. So, why do we have this kind of events sometimes bothering us? I have an opinion to this question. This is my opinion, so I know some people disagree with me, but I welcome any disagreement. I think Japanese boys are too shy to talk to a girl in a natural situation. Japanese boys are too shy to talk to a girl in the bar who is not his friend. So they need some particular situation. They can talk to a girl and they can make friends. It's a Gokon. Gokon is a very set up situation. So boys can have many conversations with girls, and then they can easily make new friends that can be the girlfriends that can be a girlfriend in the future. I think this is related to our declining population, declining birth rate. Today I talked about Gokon. Maybe this is a unique Japanese culture. If you come to Japan, let's try a Gokon. It may be a very Japanese experience for you. Thank you for watching my video. さよなら。